Hello guys, good morning. So it's 7:17 right now and I'm getting the twins ready to go to school. I'm gonna come back and do some cleaning, but I'll take you guys today with me. So I think I'm gonna go and get a coffee because today I need a lot of energy. I'm gonna start picking up like the Christmas stuff and everything, and I'm gonna come back and clean the house, and I think that's gonna be it. So I was thinking of going to Target and going to like Trader Joe's, Costco, get a couple things like a couple groceries, but the twins have a minimum day today, and so I don't want to go all the way to the stores and get all that stuff since they're gonna have a minimum day. They come out really early, and I just think I'm just gonna come back home, clean, get myself ready, get myself a coffee, and then we're gonna probably leave that for tomorrow. So, but I'll take you guys today. So, are you ready? Okay, so let me take you guys with me. So, we're ready to go. It's so cold here in California, Northern California, but we're gonna be ready to go. So let me sit you guys down and then let me put my kids in the car.
Now see, is in here. Now!
So it's extremely cold here in California, like extremely, extremely cold. Like I should have just got my big jacket because this one's like nothing compared to the coldness that's out here. But anyways, I'm gonna go drop off the twins. I'm probably gonna go get a coffee, come back and clean. So I'll see you guys in a bit. Just came back from dropping off the kids. I got my coffee. So what I usually just get is a venti caramel macchiato. I love those. Like I've tried other ones and I've liked them, but I don't know. I always go back to the caramel macchiato one. I do not know why. Like I was liking the Americano one. I don't know what's it called, but it's something Americano. The ladies at Starbucks, they know. And I tried it for a couple of like months, but then I just keep on coming back to the caramel macchiato. I don't know. I just like it. I don't know. I love caramel. Anyways, I am gonna clean. I really wanted to go to Target today, you guys. I really wanted to go get some groceries because we're out of groceries. And I hate going to like the stores in town just because it's more expensive, you know? Like I live like in a little town, guys. So for me to go like to Target or like Costco and all those type of stores, it takes me like 25 minutes or 30 minutes depending just to get over there. So, you know, usually like if I'm low like in bread or eggs or something, I'll just go here to the store. So I'm not gonna drive 30 minutes just for that. But you know, like other stuff like pantry stuff and stuff like that, like I just don't like buying stuff here because it's just more expensive, and I can just go to Costco, get the bigger family packs or whatever, and I'll be good to go, you know? But my husband's going to be off tomorrow, so I think I'm going to drag him with me tomorrow, and then I think we're going to go. And so, I don't know, I'll take you guys in with me, I guess. I don't know.
I don't know nothing about these. Like, you know, I don't know what to do on vlogs. Like, am I like the first person that does not know what to do? I do not know what to do vlogs. Like my life is all about cleaning and picking up kids from school, dropping them off, taking them to sports. I don't know if that's what you guys want to see, but just sometimes I say, oh my God, that's not busy. But yes, I am busy. Trust me. Like right now is 8:30. And so by the time I clean and me like just taking a shower, getting ready, it's gonna be time for me to pick up the kids. I had to come back and probably fix something to like for dinner, and there goes my day, you guys. It's like, you know, stay-home moms are, I feel like they're busy. So let's go inside, and then I guess I'll set you guys up, and then I don't know, you guys will see me clean. Okay, bye. Alright, so I have the worst lighting here with the camera. I have the good lighting for everything else. I'm gonna go ahead and get ready. This is like my little setup. And like, it's like so crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna get ready. I'm gonna do my hair. I'm gonna do my makeup. I took like a bath shower only. I didn't wash my hair today because I washed my hair yesterday. So I don't like washing my hair every day because it's not good for your hair. So I try not to wash it every day. But anyways, I'm gonna get ready, and I don't know if I put you guys down so you guys can see me do my makeup, or I'll just do my makeup and then show you what I did. And then I'll probably show you guys my outfit too of the day. So let me get started. Alright, so I'm done getting ready. This is my makeup for today. I don't know if you guys can see it. So it's not that boldy, but my eyebrows look so weird. Anyways, I have red like maroon kind of lips going on. I'll show you guys my outfit. So this is my outfit. So I just have my regular shoes, which is my Converse. I love my Converse. My pants from Torrid. I love my pants. They're brand new pants. And then just a simple long sleeve t-shirt from Old Navy. And then my cardigan. I don't even know where I got my cardigan. It's been so long. But yeah, just a simple look to pick up my kids. I'm going to go pick them up. And then I am going to go run out to Starbucks because today is my brother's birthday. and I am gonna go get him a Starbucks gift card. So that's what we're gonna go ahead and do. And then after that, what else we're gonna do? Oh, and then I need to go to Dollar General because it was my cousin's baby's birthday, and I didn't got him nothing for his birthday, so I want to go ahead and get him. So jewelry wise, I just have my regular hoops, and I don't have a necklace, so it's okay. But anyways, I'm gonna run and pick up my kids right now because I think it's already like 12:30. They come out at 12:45, so it usually takes me like 8 minutes to get into town. So I'm gonna like go right now. So I'll see you guys in the car when I pick up my kids. Bye. So I already picked up the twins. Say hi, twins.
Hi.
So we already picked them up since they are Mondays is like their
Can I some mix for you?
early. It's like early day.
It's a limited day.
It's a minimum day, yeah. Oh, thank you, baby. So, like I said, today's my brother's birthday, and we went to Starbucks, so we got him a cup. And since he always has like a weird schedule going on, so he's very fancy guy, so I got him a Starbucks cup, and I really like it because it's like, it's like breakable, so I hope he doesn't breaks it because he is a welder. So I don't know, so maybe it was a bad idea, but he can just give it to my sister-in-law. But anyways, we're here at the Dollar Tree, and the twins want to get him his favorite candy, which is, I know he likes Snickers, and I know he likes Hershey's. And the twins want to get like a little toy here. Yes. So we're gonna stop by, and we're actually here at the Dollar Tree parking lot. So we're gonna get off, and we're gonna go ahead and do that. And I guess I'll come back and finish the vlog.
Bye.
Alright, so we are ready to go to my brother's birthday party. Show your presents, guys. You can hardly tell, but they got them the sneakers like I said. So we are on our way to my brother's house.